Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the adventure guide in Dragonheir Silent Guide. So I made this video uh, to you that new into this game, or for the beginner that are still confused, or oh, I mean there are a lot of mission and you have to make a priority to do the challenge, the event or the quest, and to make your time efficiently using exploration and growth. Also you can use the guide in this game. So let's get started by tapping this one. This is there are some icon at the top of your screen. Just tap this book icon, then this is the icon for adventure guide. Here there are 4 features, and I want to show you the last feature is the adventure guide. This is the how you can prioritizing the quests that may be conducive to exploration and your growth. For example, you can scroll down, this is, and for example I tap this one, guide quest, and you can jump to the uh, object or the quest in the map. So please learn the adventure guide before do the quest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.